Hello friends, today's lecture we are discussing the another molecular biological important enzyme used in a genetic engineering, that is a methylase. So we are already discussed in the lecture of the restriction enzyme. So the restriction enzyme in this they are not recognized and restrict the methylated site of that DNA. Okay, so in this today's lecture we are the complete discussing the what is a methylase. So the enzyme methylase, it is adding the CH3 methyl group of that substrate, and it is made an important role for the protecting the DNA from their cleavages through the restriction enzyme. So it is a methylase, it is present in a bacteria. We are already discussed in this the bacteria it contain the restriction enzyme. Okay, आपल्यामध्ये असतो का रेस्ट्रिक्शन एन्झाईम? ह्युमन बिंग्समध्ये रेस्ट्रिक्शन एन्झाईम्स नाही आहेत, तर बॅक्टेरियामध्ये काय असतात? रेस्ट्रिक्शन एन्झाईम्स असतात. वी आर ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द वेरियस व्हायरसेस, द वेरियस अदर बॅक्टेरिया that can be infect to the that host. So this the restriction enzyme, it is protected from that the enemies of that the host. So suppose in this the restriction enzyme, suppose आता तुम्ही विचार करायला पाहिजे की जेव्हा restriction enzyme त्या होस्टमध्ये त्या बॅक्टेरियामध्ये असेल तर तेव्हा ते काय करणार, त्या होस्टच्या DNA ला सुद्धा क्लीवेज करू शकतो. ओके, अनवॉन्टेड क्लीवेजेस that can be occur in the self DNA, but in this the enzyme methylase, it is the helping from the protecting from that the cleavages through the restriction enzyme. That purposes is that the methylase are carry the important role in the especially in the that the bacteria. Okay, so in this the methylase, it is adding the methyl group on that substrate, adding the methyl group on that substrate. It means the result is that it is protecting from the cleavages. Okay, in this the methylase there are special feature is that it is adding the methyl group mainly in cytosine. We know about the DNA, it is made up of the 4 different type of the nucleotide, that is adenine, thymine, guanine and the cytosine. So the methylase, it is the enzyme, it is mostly active and the mostly target on the cytosine base pairs of that the DNA. It is from the product is the cytosine methylase. It means the result is that it is from the cytosine methylase. So the next is the point is that the classify in the methyl transferase, it is classified into the 3 groups. Classified into 3 groups according to their methyl transferase activity. That is a N6 methyl adenosine, M6 methyl adenosine. The next is a M4 generate the N4 methylosine, N4 methyl cytosine. Then to the next is a M5 carbon generate the N5 methyl cytosine. Here is the classification of that the methyl transferase enzyme according to their transfer of the methyl group on that the substrate. Okay, the M6A and 6 methyl cytosine, it is adding the N6 nitrogen base pairs of the adenosines. It is adding the methyl group on the 6th position of the nitrogen atom of that the adenosines. And the next is the M4C, it is adding the methyl group on the N4 position of the cytosine. According to this, his name is suggests that the M for methyl cytosine. The last is that the M5C, the 5 carbon atom of the nitrogen 5, then it is name is suggested that the methyl cytosine. In this there the two base pairs is the same, that is the cytosine, but there are the addition of the methyl group are the different in position. And this the above is that the methyl adenosine, the adding of this methyl group on the N6 position of that the base pairs. In this the way it is are the classified according to their methyl transferase activity. So and the M6A and M4C. So we are classifying this the M6A adenosine and the M4C cytosine. It is mostly found in prokaryotes. It is mostly found in prokaryotes. This is the methyl transferase activity on the M6N and the M4C. It is mostly occur in prokaryotic organisms. So next point is that the we are समजा आपण बघतो की मिथाइल ट्रान्सफरन्स ऍक्टिव्हिटी ही फक्त काय आहे, आता आपण जे पाहतोय फक्त डीएनए मध्येच होत आहे, कारण की त्याच्यात बेस पेअर्स असतात आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं मिथाइल ट्रान्सफरन्स ग्रुप मिथाइल ग्रुप त्याच्यात ऍड करतो. तर असं नाहीये, द मिथाइलेज ऍक्टिव्हिटी इट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल इन प्रोटीन्स. The protein it is made up of the 20 different types of the amino acid. In these the methyl transferase activity are also involved for their modification process. In this we are studying in the DNA in this the DNA. So they are the protecting the methyl transferase activity. It is main reason is that the protecting from the cleavages, but in this the protein it is carry the important role in their the modification of that the protein. Okay, we know about the central dogma of the protein synthesis, that is a DNA it is converted to the mRNA and it is known as a transcription, and the mRNA it is converted into the protein, it is known as a translation. In this the after translation and the before the transcription, then the post translation modification are the occur. Your focus is that the post translation modification means that the protein modification. In this the protein modification there are the various modification are the carried out, that is a 5' capping, 3' capping, sugar N-glycosidic added, some methyl transferase activity methyl group added, some alcoholic group added. These are the modification of the process. In this the modification, one the modification is that the methyl transferase activity, it is adding the methyl group in their N terminal. The methyl transferase it is adding the methyl group on the N terminal of that the protein. We are the structure of that the protein, it starts from the N terminal to the end to the carboxyl end. So in this the protein methyl transferase it is adding the methyl group on there the N terminus position of that the protein. It is helps in there the modification of that the protein. It means that the modification of that the protein it is carry the important role for there the activity in there the host. So in this process the methyl transferase adding this the methyl group for their modification process, not there in for protect. So it is also from the protect from the other enzymatic degradation. It is modification also, it is, and the other is that the it is protection from that the other degrading enzyme, and it is also carry the important role in their signaling process. Okay, it is also carry the important role in the signaling process. There are the detail of that the methylase. So there are the applications. So we are आतापर्यंत जे आपण एन्झाईम पाहिलेले आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक एन्झाईमचे काय जेनेटिक इंजिनिअरिंगसाठी त्याचे महत्त्वाचे युजेस आहेत. तर त्याचप्रमाणे काय होणार आहे, तर या एन्झाईमचं पण काय आहे जेनेटिक इंजिनिअरिंगसाठी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल्स आहेत. सपोज आपण एक DNA घेतला आणि एका प्रोकॅरियोटिक ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहे म्हणजे बॅक्टेरिया, समजा ई कोलाय फॉर एक्झाम्पल ई कोलाय, दॅट इज वी आर गॅदर्ड द DNA. So our interested DNA using for genetic engineering. Suppose this is the segments of that the DNA. It is important role for the suppose amylase producing enzyme. Okay, so this the DNA we are adding into the another bacteria, that is a Salmonella typhi. Okay, it is also gram negative bacteria. So in this the bacteria we are transferring this before we are carrying the some enzymatical process. We are adding the methyl group on that the donor DNA. For their because of the Salmonella typhi it contains the restriction enzyme. So for the adaptation process we are modifying that the donor DNA with adding the methyl group. ओके, जेव्हा हे मिथाइल ग्रुप मिथायलेटेड जे DNA आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जेव्हा तो एंटर करणार आहे तर तेव्हा काय होणार आहे त्या ॲडॅप्टर मीन्स द ॲक्सेप्टर DNA मध्ये काय होणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये तो डायजेशन होणार नाही बिकॉज त्याच्यात काय आहे RE एन्झाईम आहे. तर त्या RE एन्झाईम पासून प्रोटेक्ट करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो डोनर DNA ला मिथायलेटेड करून त्या ॲक्सेप्टरमध्ये टाकतो. मग त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यात काय होणार डिफरंट प्रोसेस होणार ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनच्या आणि तो डोनर DNA त्याच्यात काय होणार ॲक्सेप्टर होणार कशामध्ये ॲक्सेप्टरमध्ये. सो इट इज अ application of that the DNA in suppose some artificial methods are also using for the methyl transferase. So there are the various application of that the methyl transferase in their genetic engineering process. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We are next lecture we are discussing the another important enzyme.